Good morning, fam. Yes, the Z's actually on. I'm about to move it. Today is Dyno day. I don't know if you can hear me. The car's kind of loud back here. I'm about to move it out of the garage. We're gonna get it up here. I also got to go get some E85 and regular gas in a little bit. But yeah, stay tuned. I know she's looking pretty mean right now. Alright, so far I'm driving it and I'm getting a third gear. I'm gonna go a little bit faster, try to get it a fourth before we get to Dyno. About to go pick up some E85 and see you guys in a little bit. Oh no, you're good. You're good, bro.
I bought a UCV.
All right, so this is day 2 after the dyno. So this is the bad news that I had. I don't know if you can see somewhere right here. I have a crack in the intercooler. I'm losing a lot of power, and that happened yesterday. Also with that, I have a crack somewhere right here. A rock chipped it. It hit right here. Let's see what else happened that sucked yesterday. I think my tires also went kind of bald. I don't know if you can tell from down there. So I gotta replace both Toyo triple R's. And yeah, man, all this happened. My phone fell. I cracked my phone. I also left my 2 gas tanks full gas of E85 at the shop that I was at. I was like an hour out. But yeah, other than that, I gotta buy a brand new intercooler, and I just installed this one. So yeah, that's all that happened yesterday. I lost a lot of power from the dyno. And yeah, man, I took a fat L, but I gotta do maintenance on the GTR either way. So stay tuned for the next videos, how to do maintenance on your GTR. And I will be having both of these done soon. I'll be wrapping this one and this one at the same time. So yeah, peace out. See you guys in the next video.